guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Soraya Salinas from Salinasguitars and Bajo Sexto, and behind the camera is my husband Jacob Salinas. Check out what we got going on today.
So many of you guys who play Bajo Sexto, Bajo Quinto will probably recognize this Bajo. This is it's actually an honor for us to be working on this Bajo. This Bajo belongs to Mr. Rabbit Sanchez, and this is his pride and joy. So he's trusting us to basically give it a quick little overhaul, not an entire overhaul. We're gonna readjust the action here because the holes are very chewed up from all the years of all the strings going in. We're gonna redo the the nut, and he wants us to look over the fret, so we'll probably do a partial fret job here just to level and crown. And then he also wants us to change the tuning machines. So that's what we're working on. We're gonna bring you guys along, show you how we do it. Stay tuned. Alright, now here it is, all done. It's got new strings on it. Just lowered the action on this Bajo Sexto for Mr. Rabbit Sanchez. It's all pretty much done. Did a new nut. And again, we lowered the strings on it, did a double bone installation, and we did a partial fret job on it, just a level and crown on them. New nut, new tuning machines. Got it tuned up just to show you the sound of it. Plays really well. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.